Hey everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove PayPal from your Facebook payment methods. If you no longer want to use PayPal for Facebook ads, marketplace, or in-app purchases, removing it will prevent accidental charges and give you better control over your finances. This video is going to be useful for Facebook users who have linked PayPal but now want to remove it for security, budgeting, or account management reasons. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to remove your PayPal from your Facebook. First things first is you're going to want to go to your Facebook app. You can locate this just by scrolling through your pages, or you can scroll down, type in Facebook, and it'll pop up right there like I did. So click on Facebook, and you're going to want to go down into the menu. So that's in the bottom right corner. It will be your profile picture, so be sure to click on that. And then you're going to want to scroll down until you see the settings drop down. So you're going to want to click on the settings and privacy drop down, scroll a little bit more until you see orders and payments. You'll know that this is the correct button because it's going to have a little card, a little credit card. So click on that and then scroll down. Don't be fooled because you might be tempted to click on credit and debit cards. Now, this is not what we're going to focus on given that we are talking about a linked PayPal account. And so it's going to be under other payment methods. So click on that and you'll be able to add and remove your PayPal account from your Facebook just like that. Now with that super simple tutorial out of the way, here's some tips to consider. Tip number one is once removed, you'll need to add a new payment method if you still plan to make purchases on Facebook. My second tip is if you're running ads, make sure to switch to another payment method first to avoid ad interruptions. My third and final tip is if you're having trouble removing PayPal, check for any pending transactions or subscriptions linked to your account. And with all that said, the tutorial, the tips, all of that taken care of, that's all I really have to offer for today. So be sure to drop a like on this video if you did find it helpful. Also be sure to share this video with a friend, a family member, or anyone you think will like this video or find this video helpful. But most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more future tutorials and more videos in general. But yeah, with all that said, I hope you guys have a great day.